Morning team. It's August 7, Monday. We got a new week. Let's make it worth. News-wise, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are pretty quiet. So it's kind of good news because I like when there are not many news. You just need to be a little bit more patient, but then you're gonna get cleaner price action. And then there is CPI. So it's about inflation this week. Today there is also like barely any news in London. Actually, the only two news that there were like 8 o'clock, so there it's gone. It's nothing. Okay, let's have a look. So last week closed as a red candle, but slightly bullish, I would say. We are still in a bullish weekly order block. I would say that now it's kind of mitigated because 1-2 times it filled the 50% pretty much. You know, so this bullish order block should do something. If it doesn't, it's because it's gonna give up. You know, well, it can spend another 5 weeks here before pushing, but technically this start to be mitigated. So you see the bullish fair value gap reacted, and now it's kind of failing again. So I don't know. Hourly is clear. Let's go to hourly charts. I really want these hikes to go somehow. I mean, it's undeniable that there is liquidity above these highs. But also we can really leave these hikes like this and just keep dumping. I mean, I wouldn't be so surprised. Well, so let's say this is an internal swing high. So old structure high. You remember when I explained the video about structure? Maybe one of the next days I'm gonna make a new video. So let me explain you something. Old market structure high was this one, and this was the low. Okay. So you can say this swing high made a new low. Yes, but what's the most far away swing high that need to be protected for the structure to be bullish is this one. Once the new low is made, I don't know if you recall my videos. New low is made, the most far of all this price action after this is this one. So this is the market structure high that I want to be intact. Intact doesn't mean that they can run. They can run it, but they can dump it. But I want this one to be protected in order for H4 structure to be bearish. Sorry, bearish. So right now everything is bearish, you know. This is bearish. I know we are in a weekly bullish of the block, but this is bearish. And my day trading plans are based on hourly charts, not weekly bullish support. I just need to be aware. That said, is a bit tricky now where we are. Well, first of all, we are in the perfect equilibrium of the range now, of this H4 range, if you want to call it. You see? Perfect equilibrium. And also, we are dumping below the 50%, so blind shorts are not so nice. Once we touch this bullish origin, it should give some reaction. If it doesn't, this becomes like a beautiful breaker to keep shorting, a beautiful one. If we see something like this, for whatever reason, then this one should be a nice breaker. But yeah, I think some bullish reaction should happen here, technically. It's not. I don't have a super clear read right now, so I don't want to expose myself too much. I marked this little volume imbalanced, which gave some small reaction. You remember yesterday I made a video. And right now we are in this kind of breaker. It's not like the nicest, but it is. But I wouldn't long here at all, unless I see bullish price action. Yeah. This is why I say like I don't feel super comfortable to short, because this move was kind of legit. Yeah. And now we dipped below the 50%, almost in OTE area. So blindly shorting just because the price is dumping right at the open, I don't know. I need some sort of raid and M15 area of interest as a sponsorship. Not saying that I'm gonna long here just because we are below 50%, but also don't feel comfortable to blind short. It's one of the situations where I don't want to be involved. I want them to give me direction before getting in any trade, you know? So I think that's enough for me for today as a video. I will post more charts later. Somebody asked me like when I say I will post more charts later, they don't see the charts. Let me show you something. This is my Telegram. This is my Telegram channel. If you click on any video comment or here and you go to discuss, there is the group, and this is where I post most of the charts. You don't have to join because maybe you're gonna get annoyed because here we talk like a lot, but here is where I post the charts. Okay, here discuss, and then there is this group, and you can even subscribe or not, whatever, but this is where all the video go. Anyway, as I said, I don't want to get involved right now. I have bearish bias, but I also wanted these fucking highs to go somehow. But yeah, they can literally hold and keep dumping. I don't know, this Friday move looks like a big short squeeze to me. 100 pips. This could be really like a short squeeze, honestly. I have the feeling that this thing is gonna dump big time. I said a few weeks ago, I don't know where, on Twitter or somewhere, I said something, I said like this, I say like, hey guys, now that we broke this swing low, it's bearish, I say, because this is the low that made a new high, they broke it, and I think that the end goal is this one. This liquidity. But I don't know if we're gonna dump it straight. Can happen. So that's enough for me for today, guys. I speak to you tomorrow and later in the group. Bye.